Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So today I want us to learn how to make warm bread. So with me here I do have 100 ml of warm milk. So we are going to put milk here, and then also I do have a half a tablespoon of yeast. So I'm going to mix them together, and then we are going to stir for a few minutes. And then what you are going to do, you are going to give it around 5 minutes. So 5 minutes have passed and the yeast has been able to dissolve. As you can see, it has been able to dissolve. So what we are going to add, I do have sugar. To add sugar. Also here with me, I do have just one egg. Just one egg. I'm going to add one egg. And then from the egg, I do also have the margarine. It's melted, so I'm going to add margarine just slowly by slowly. Then from the margarine, now I'm going to start adding flour. So I do have 1 cup of flour. Just going to mix and mix slowly. So as you can see, this dough is starting to mix each other. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to knead the rest with my hand. So the dough is ready. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it for 1 hour to rise. So I'm just going to put it that way. And then I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil and spread it evenly. And then I'm also going to put a cling film. Just give it enough space for it to rise, because you're supposed to leave it in a warm place so that it can rise evenly. So I'm going to leave it like this, and also I'm going to add a piece of kitchen cloth, and then I'm going to leave it for like 1 hour. So our dough has been resting for 1 hour, and this is the result. As you can see, it has doubled in size, and when you press it, it's very soft. We are going to punch the air out, and then I'm going to remove it so that we can knead it on this surface here. This is how we are going to shape it. And so I want us to dust this pan that we are going to use for this baking tin. So I'm just going to put margarine to avoid sticking in the pan, and I put it in the oven. So now I'm going to put the bread inside here and just let it shape take the shape of the tin. I'm going to cover it for another 1 hour so that it can rise, and then we put it in the oven. So guys, it's been 1 hour. Our bread has rested, and as you can see, it is signed here. So what we are going to do, I do have this is egg wash, and basically this is just a mixture of eggs and milk. So we are going to put it here. This is just going to add more flavor and the color and baking. Okay, after doing so, I want us to make just a basic shape. So we are going to pinch our bread in that shape. And also on this other side, we are going to pinch the bread. Okay, so I do have sesame seeds. I'm just going to sprinkle a little on top. And as we do this, I've already preheated my oven around 30 minutes ago, so that the moment I'm just clicking, it will be good to go. So that is sesame seeds. It adds more flavor to the bread. And so now it's ready, so we are going to put it in the oven. So our bread is ready. It just came straight from the oven, as you can see. So this side has been pinched a little because, so what we need to do, I need to start removing it. So immediately you remove the bread from the oven. So you need to let it rest a little bit. So you see on this side. So what we are going to do, we need to put a little butter so that it will make it soft. Once you remove it straight from the oven, you put a little bit of butter. So we are going to give it around 15 minutes to rest, and then we'll come and see our results. Okay, so our bread has been resting for almost like 30 minutes, so I just want to put it in a plate, and then we will cut it and see how it is. You see, the bread is very open. You can see. On top it's crunchy. It's crunchy on top. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Anything, kindly reach out.